What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just want to give you a quick hit on a couple of my favorite things here. This is actually new to me, but I really like these for a couple of reasons. These are little notebooks. This came in a 2-pack, so you get both of these notebooks here. But one of the reasons that I like little notebooks is because it helps me capture my best ideas when I have them, no matter where I'm at. I can be in the can, in a theater, in church, at the golf course, wherever. And something like this is really kind of a nice life hack because you can have this in your back pocket, in your briefcase, in your backpack, whatever, and you can pull it out and then write some notes down. And you might be saying, well, Pete, if you have a great idea, why don't you just put it in your phone? A lot of times I do, if it's just a one-liner or something like that, but sometimes you want to sketch something out. Sometimes you want to put a bunch of bullets down. Sometimes you don't want to have the light on your phone on and you're typing away. It looks like you're text messaging in the middle of a theater or a movie or something like that. Something like this can be a lot more easy to use, more stealthy, and you can put a lot more context, especially if you're going to draw something. Now, I want to show this to you. They're both the same except for the color here. So this 2-pack comes with this brown and this black, and it's nice because you could have a personal one, a work one. You don't necessarily have to have one for each, but now you can because they're inexpensive and they come in this 2-pack. But first thing I want to show you is that you have a pen loop on the outside. You have kind of this pleather. You can see here it's gray, but it's kind of like a leather texture. The whole thing is like a pleather, by the way, a PU leather, I think is what they call it. Polyurethane, maybe? And we have this little elastic stretchy sleeve right there, so you can put a pen. Now, I would say you might want to use a little bit of a shorter pen. You know, the long pen I think will go from end to end here, but if you have a short pen, you could put that in there. What I like about this is that it's not a loop up here, so you don't have to know which way you're putting the pen in, to be honest, right? And this seems very sturdy, very tight, so that's going to hold it in place. Sometimes the loop is up here, and if you put the pen the wrong way, it's going to stick out there. So having it in the middle here is actually kind of nice. You can see we have a little stitching there. It says notebook embossed in there. And again, I like this texture. It's kind of got a little bit of a bomber jacket look to it, but like I said, PU leather. Now, if I open this up, we have a little paper pocket right here. So you can put credit card, business card. And then if I come to the back here, we have a much larger pocket. This one folds out like an accordion, so if you have receipts or something like that, you can put that in there. So we'll do a little bit of storage. We also have like a moleskin notebook type of elastic strap, so that'll flip out like this. And now we have your little pages right here, just lined pages. You can tear them out, you know, gray and little dotted lines, so you could sketch out. If you were drawing, it's not going to be intrusive, but lots of sheets in there. And then when you are done, put the pen back, put the strap on there, put this back in your back pocket, what have you. And then actually what I wanted to show you here too, which I just noticed now, is that we also have a couple of embedded bookmark threads. So let's say you're using this for work and a business. You could have this going to the last page, you put work notes. You could have this one going to the last page where you had personal notes, those types of things. So you have the little bookmarks. So even nicer. I didn't even know that was there, but really thought out. A lot of little details here that make this the great pocket companion for taking all those notes, capturing everything that you need. You can see it's not that big. It's going to go with you everywhere, and that's what I really love about this, is that it's not necessarily for taking a lot of notes, but it's just making sure that you don't miss out on those opportunities to capture what's most important. Sometimes it can just be your grocery list. That's happened to me too. But if you want to pick up this 2-pack of pocket notebooks, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.